This video will help walk you through the setup process for your Ridekick. First, take a moment to make sure that you have everything listed on the parts list in your Ridekick instruction manual. To start, firmly attach the Ridekick hitch plate to the axle of your bike. Next, use the hitch plate to attach the Ridekick unit to the bike. Use the safety strap to further secure the Ridekick unit. Now, attach the throttle to the handlebars. Check to make sure that the throttle does not interfere with the brakes. Connect the throttle cord to the throttle cable on the hitch arm of the Ridekick unit. Use the Velcro straps to secure the throttle cord to the bike frame. Try to have the throttle cord follow along the top of the bike frame, but make sure the Velcro straps don't interfere with the brake cables. Congratulations, you're now ready to turn on and enjoy your Ridekick power trailer.